What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So I took today off. Body's hurting. I've just been working too much, and the heat has not been good. It's been like 110, 112. Coming from Vegas, I can handle it, but as I'm getting older, gray hairs, it's not easy no more. I'm starting to feel it on my body. So that's why I've been liking to play with the XB more than the drift car or the Lexus, the LS, just because LS is expensive, very expensive. We're talking about $1,000 parts. 240, $1,000 here, getting underneath the car, fixing things here, and I gotta do a detailed video for super clean still. So we got to get that engine out, and I need to detail the engine and engine bay. And I'm believing I forgot what it's called, the front needs to be rebuilt for the, oh my god, it'll come to me. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing some work on the XB today at Auto Garage. Randy was kind enough to let me come over and use his tools, just because I do not have the right ones to do it. We are gonna be finally putting in the Lexus steering wheel. We will switch out the speed on the windshield wiper from the Toyota Matrix and take that out so we can have the adjustable on it. And then like the small little things for the e-brake, just so it matches the steering wheel. So as you can see, so I'm gonna be finding this wrap, and I'll be doing all the silver accents in here. I got to get the Alcantara wrap as well to do the pillars, and then we got to drop this, and I got to figure out what I'm going to do with this one, or what I'm going to cover that in. I do have the heart lights I'm going to be putting on both sides in here and wiring it to this, but that'll be a whole different day because that'll be a lot of work. I got to drop the whole roof and do the wiring, and I don't know wiring yet, but like I said, I'm willing to learn. So I'm thankful that I get to go hang out with Randy, get to do car stuff with him. I'm happy I got a day off to make a video because this is my hobby. I like doing this. And I got to go meet up with Gregory today because he's selling me the piece that I really wanted for the interior part on the XB for VIP. And he is giving me the homie hookup. I am hella pumped, hella happy. So let's go ahead and head over to Auto Garage, get this going, and that's the plan for the day. So let's roll out. All right, so here at Randy's shop, let's check out the race truck with the LS3 swamp. Look at the suspension. This is dope. Wire tucking. Randy's welds are dope, dude. So sick. I would love to get this done for the wife's C10, but we need money. That is not going to be cheap. But yeah, so Randy gave me some tools. Been hanging out here for a minute, catching up. We are going to put the wheel in there. So I got the bit. We're going to go ahead and take that steering wheel off, or the airbag first. And then we are going to take off the airbag. You're going to use the torque bits that go on the side right there. And then this will come off. We'll disconnect the airbag, swap airbag igniters, take off this switch, this one in. And then I think it's a 19. I've got to pull this out and wiggle it, pop it off. So how that wheel is setting is how I need to put the wheel back on. So let's go ahead and get started. And then I'm going to swap this piece. It's from a Toyota Matrix. So you take this off, plug this in, and then you have the speed, because this one doesn't come with it.
Oh, really?
So it's like the mod for XBs, I guess. I saw that on there.
That's sick. That's sick.
So I was like, I gotta fucking do that. All right, so got it off. Got to swap the igniters to work with the XB. And then I think it's a 19. We'll not take it all the way off, take a little bit so we don't hit ourselves in the face when we pull it. And then we'll swap the Lexus steering wheel on. All these accessories will be not usable unless I figure out wiring someday. But then we'll have that on. And there's Randy. So we'll get this off and not hit myself in the face.
Do it
Fake
again.
it.
Fake it. Fake it.
There we go. Oh, this is gonna... Oh, shit. It's getting loose.
Yeah, a little bit more.
I want to take the whole bolt.
There you go. Popped out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Fuck yeah. So I just gotta push these bolts out. I can use them. Alright, so gotta pull this off.
What the fuck? They just hung up on me. See that shit?
Oh, a quarter. Like a bowling.
What?
What is it, O'Reilly?
Harding.
Fuck them.
Hey, my bad.
If you guys are watching this video and you work at O'Reilly on Harding, fuck you. Punk ass bitch. Fuck you and your kids. Now we're gonna swap this piece out and put this one on. Let me do it real quick, I'm sweating. All right, before I get too far into this, there is this little clip here. Push that in, pull out, and then you are gonna disconnect the bottom right here. And it's basically the same thing, just disconnect that, grab this, and then just pop it in like that. And then we're basically just gonna pop it, slide it back in, and good to go. So let me do that because I'm working with one hand, sorry guys, and I only have the small tripod, not the big one I can stand up in the car. So let me just do this real quick. All right, so that's on. I'm gonna go ahead and slap the top cover back on. And then put the bottom, and then we'll get the wheel on. So let me do that real quick. All right, so plastic's on, 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, and then that will be on, and then we'll start with the steering wheel. So let's go and do that now. All right, so niters are switched, so they bolt on perfectly. One part, Randy did grind this off and reset it, so it has the connection for this to plug here. So we're gonna go ahead and get the wheel bolted on. We will hook up these to here, this to there, and hopefully the airbag doesn't blow in our face. So let's swap it. So everything's gonna fit. This is what the steering wheel is gonna look like. I'm gonna look up torque spit or torque, what the torque is for this, because I don't want to over tighten it and fuck it up. But fits. Slide in the back. Oh god, hiccups again. But yeah, so all I did was swap out the igniter, like I said. Randy grinded this and made a ground for me. So that if you want to do this steering wheel, this is what you'll have to do. I just gotta see what the torque is, and then I'll get the right spec, because this was very, very loose when I took it off. So let me look that up and we'll get everything situated. So it turns out it's 37 pounds. Randy's gonna let me use his, let me get this microphone out, wire out. Use his snap-on. Honestly, I've never used a snap-on before. So it's gonna be kind of nice using the baller tools. I've always been, you know, using Harbor Freight or Walmart stuff because YouTube and I'm poor. So get to use the real stuff finally. So that's awesome. I feel like a baller. So let me go ahead and get Randy's snap-on tool for torquing it down to 37, and then we'll get it going. Or in, here he goes. So, hell yeah, I'm going to use this shit. Only time I ever use snap-on is with your shop. I've never. So, I didn't tighten our.
They just tighten it up.
Oh, goddamn.
It's still pushing the steering wheel down, that's why.
Go again?
No. It'll tell you your maximum. You went to 38.4.
Oh, I'll stay at that. Fuck yeah. Thank you, Eddie. Hell yeah.
That's a long ass trip.
I know, let's check that out. Yee! Alright, so a little bit mess up the ground. Randy's going to extend the wire because it does bend a lot. These bolts are from the Scion, and I didn't get the ones that come originally for the steering wheel. I did have to pop this cover off to get to this spot, but they're kind of acting funny with me, so I might have to trim this plastic, which just holds it, and just trim it so I can clear these so I can still use these. So that's what I'm going to do. So let me get everything situated, but everything is lining up. This, I don't need it. I just kind of like tuck it out of the way for now and put it like that or something, and then run the connection there. But yeah, so everything will be pretty much, well, it's working good. So I have the Lexus steering wheel. Will look like that. I'm digging it. So let me do a little bit of modification. So only things you have to do mod is, if you have the original screws here, you're set. If you're not, you gotta do what I'm doing. Extend the ground wire on the airbag itself, which is going to be here, which you grinded it so you can connect the connection to there. Plug in the igniter, and then match the red with the black, like so. And then you'll be set to go to plug and play. So those are the situations with that. These accessories are useless. They're just going to be for looks until I can hook up cruise control to this and I can use this. This, I would like to figure out how to use it so I can connect it to the steering wheels or stereo. So we'll get that going. But yeah, we got the matrix switches here. So I'm excited for that. We'll test it once you put the battery on, and hopefully the airbag doesn't deploy. But yeah, so everything is looking good. So I just gotta get these to fit. So it kind of sucks, but hey, we'll make it work. So it's just that bottom one is really not allowing me to get it in there. I might be able to, I don't think it fits through here, through the side, these pockets. That OEM one, it don't fit. I think it might be too tight, yeah. See, it's too tight to get in there. So I'd have to put these in first. So I might have to just trim this off so it fits in there. Gotta do something. So let me get working. All right, so I use this style, easy, fits right in there perfect, got them both in. I did, like I said, have to clip those little plastic pieces off to fit those screws in. I'm gonna put this cover back on, which is basically useless, but fucking looks dope. And steering wheel's on. So now we just gotta plug in the battery and start the car and hope the battery does not blow up in our face. Here we go. Steering wheel is in. We are gonna start it, and I hope the airbag doesn't blow and we don't get crazy lights everywhere. So I'm gonna sit on the passenger side to be safe. 1, 2, 3. Oh, which wiper works? Alright. Oh, the airbag is okay. That light has always been on. I'm gonna start the car now. Let's fucking don't die. Horn still don't work though, but steering wheel's on. That's all I'm fucking pumped, bro. It's dope. Oh, English. Set this up. So, my camera working? Nope, it still always does that. Once in a while it works, it don't. I don't understand what's going on yet. All right, Bluetooth hooked up. I don't want to get copyrighted, so. Steering wheel's in. We are Lexus boys. Hell yeah. None of these will work. The horns still don't work, but it's okay. We'll eventually fix that with I want to get one of those hella horns. But yeah, we got ourselves a airbag. And that airbag light has always been on. And I'm wondering if it's because the horn or something doesn't work or what, but I'm not tripping. I don't care if the airbag don't work. This is my car, and so we are good. And then for the next thing today, we are gonna go meet up with the homie and get my VIP crystals for the knobs. I am fucking pumped. That's gonna match with the Lexus, so we are set. So everything's good. I didn't blow up the car, so yeah. All right, just got home, stopped by Randy's, showed him the crystals. Just checking on the cars. But yes, steering wheel is feeling great. Do knee alignment, of course, because it is crooked, and I swapped it, and horn still don't work, but it's all good. I'm gonna actually put this on because it will match the wood. So I'm gonna put better 3M in here, and it basically just goes right here. So that's what it looks like. So at least it'll match. I'm gonna get the wrap to match this as well, and then we're gonna do all this gray accent in wood, and then I'll get chrome wrap or black chrome and wrap like little accents on here, and we'll, you know, make all the stuff pop. So I just got to order that, but we still got to put this on. So the crystals, I'll give you guys a sneak peek on one, but I'm gonna clean the car and then I'll install these. But here we go. I've been wanting these so bad, and the homie hooked me up. So he's been my plug. So, but we got the VIP crystals for the knobs. Bro, I'm hold up, look at that. Damn. Oh man, I can't wait to VIP the hell out of this car. And it's so affordable compared to spending thousands like I do on the Lexus, and thousands for racing parts on the 240. This is literally $100 stuff. So it's cheaper to play with this, easy to make content. Yeah, so I'm gonna just armor all everything, clean it, because it is dirty. It is my work car, and we're just gonna make it look dope. So I'm gonna go ahead and get inside because it's hot. I gotta go take care of the dogs, make sure they are cool and comfortable, have water and food. And yeah, so thanks for rocking with me. I'd like to thank the homie for hooking me up with the crystals, and then of course Auto Up Garage for letting me use tools to install the steering wheel. Thank you very much, Randy. I do really appreciate your help, brother. If you guys are looking for a local mechanic out in Stockton and want to do like maybe a swap on LS, on old school, or just some regular maintenance, hit up Auto Up Garage, man. He takes care of all my cars and my parents' cars and my friends and family. So pretty much everybody. So if you guys are looking for a reliable mechanic that takes care of a car and treats your car as if it was his, that's where you want to go to. Instead of going to these people that just, you end up having bonus parts that they didn't want to install because they got lazy. So go see my buddy Randy, man. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. The video will probably be today. Just, I gotta go take care of the dogs. All right, bye.